Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Pipedrive to import leads with CSV step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the Pipedrive website URL. Press enter to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, locate the login button in the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Click on the login button to access your account. If you have activated two-factor authentication, follow the prompts to complete the process. Once logged in, you will see your Pipedrive dashboard. Navigate to the Leads section in the menu. Click on the Import Leads option, typically found under the Leads Management. Select Import from CSV from the available import methods. Now, locate the CSV file on your computer. Click the Choose File or Browse button. Select the CSV file you wish to import. Next, click on the Upload button. Pipedrive will process the file and display a preview of your leads. Review the data to ensure everything looks correct. Map the fields from your CSV to the corresponding fields in Pipedrive. Once you have mapped all necessary fields, click Import. You will see a confirmation message once your leads have been successfully imported. Check the Leads section to verify that your new leads have been added. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.